Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change ball joints on a Ram 2500. Begin by securing the truck, loosening lug nuts, and raising the front end with a heavy-duty jack, then support the frame with rated jack stands. Remove the wheel and inspect the control arm and steering components. Keep parts organized for reassembly, and take photos if needed to remember bolt locations and orientations before proceeding to ball joint removal. Warm up the process by spraying penetrating oil on seized bolts and studs to ease removal. Support the control arm with a transmission jack or floor jack to prevent sudden drops when bolts are removed. Separate the ball joint stud from the knuckle using a press or puller for cleaner removal and less damage. Keep an eye on rusted parts and consider replacing related hardware while you have access for a thorough repair. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money and save you time planning big repairs. I find it a great companion for shop breaks and long drives. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When installing, grease serviceable joints per manufacturer guidance and ensure the ball joint is fully seated before tightening. Use a torque wrench and follow torque specs for castle nuts, then align the cotter pin correctly to prevent loosening. Reinstall the wheel and torque lug nuts in a star pattern. After lowering the truck, perform a slow test drive to check for clunks and complete an alignment if steering pull or uneven tire wear appears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.